Here we go. Oh, he about to be in our video. Hey y'all, I am here at the Mayo Clinic here in Rochester, Minnesota, and today is the day my sister is here with me. Say hi, Brittany. She is not shy at all. My sister is here with me, and this is what we are looking forward to today. This is what I'll be ringing. It says the sound of hope. I can't even read it. For generations, the ringing of bells has played a significant role in the history and culture of Mayo Clinic. From the Carolina Top, the Plummer Building, to the bell at Mayowood, the Mayo family's country home, the sound symbolizes our unique sense of community and dedication to the values of respect, compassion, and healing. The sound of hope. Ringing the bell signifies the completion of your course of treatment and shares the sound of hope with others on the journey. We invite you to join this honored tradition. And today is my turn, so I'm gonna wait for a couple more people to get on here, and I'm gonna ring it. Thank y'all. Yeah, I had to put on some type of face today. I couldn't ring the bell raggedy. Yeah, but today is a very exciting day for me. I just came out of my last treatment. I had to go through 15 sessions of radiation, and it went really good up until like the last week. Starting to get some burning and skin peeling, but you know what? It's over. So I will just deal with it, and you know, as it comes. But I am just grateful for each and every one of you, for your prayers, for your words of encouragement, for just everything that you have done to support me in this journey. It has been extremely hard, probably like the hardest thing I have ever in my life had to go through. Y'all don't even know half of the story. But I basically went through cancer twice. I was diagnosed in March of last year, had surgery to remove it in June, only to find out in October that there was still more cancer. Many days I wanted to give up. Many days I just felt like laying there and not doing anything else. I felt like purpose was over. I didn't understand why I had to be on this journey, and I still don't. But I know that God has a purpose in it all. I'm just trying to remain strong, and my ask is that you continue to just keep me in your prayers and your thoughts, and lift me up whenever you think about me, because I still need it, okay? But we're going to go ahead and ring this bell, all right? Wipe these tears up, and we're going to get the bell ringing. All right. This is the bell. Y'all ready?
Want to say anything else?
So I just want to say thank y'all so much. Thank you to God, my Father, who has taken me through this entire journey, strengthening me when I was weak, and yeah, I'm just grateful today. I'm grateful. I know that my life will be a testimony to so many others who may encounter a journey like this, I would just say hold on, keep trusting, even when you don't know where your hope or whatever is going to come from, and just know that God's got you and he will take good care of his own. I love you all. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye.
I forgot in live.